Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's the Mads of San Diego and I got off work. I'm heading to Seafood City to buy dinner. I'm gonna show you how it looks like over there. It's like a Carinderia as what Jack Precorect said, because there are so many Filipino foods that you will see, especially the, what's that again? Chicharon. I'm heading to Seafood City. I hope you can hear me. I'm on my mask and it's noisy out here. But I'll show you what it looks like. Huh? This is what they have. They have this cooked fried fish already. This is my favorite. Tuyo. Ate, ano po yung midweek special nyo? Wednesday today.
4 pieces ng pork or chicken barbecue, 3 pieces chicken inasal, saka isang dessert na buko banana.
Hindi pwedeng i-change yung chicken inasal. Hindi pwedeng gulay. Kailangan yan talaga. Okay, wag na lang. O, gulay, pwede? Oo, i-change yung ano.
Chicken inasal.
Oo. Pero wag na lang, ano na lang, bili na lang kung ano. Wag na yan, wag na yan. Pork barbecue na lang. I'm buying pork barbecue.
Yeah, pork barbecue.
Pag bumili ka ng 4, may free na isa, diba? O, yun na lang. Tapos, at saka, yung pwede siya ng ano, diba? Ang init. When you buy, what can I buy? Yung may rice na. I don't know what to buy. I want the pork barbecue. Ah, alam ko na. Talong na lang. And talong and fish.
Ano pa?
Yung value meal na 2 and 3, pwede yun? Oo.
Pampano at saka chicken barbecue.
Pwedeng iba? Kailangan pampano lang, hindi pwedeng iba.
Yung number 2 kasi ano?
Hindi,
Yung pampano.
salmon na lang, grilled salmon.
O sige.
At saka, yung, ang tawag dyan, grilled eggplant. Pwede yon? Pwede ba yun, ate? I'm so kulit. Kini-change ko yung mga orders.
Ano gusto mo dyan?
Okay po.
Saka eggplant.
Eggplant. Isa lang yung eggplant. Ganun.
Ano pa?
Welcome to
This is
Seafood
the
City.
for the high blood thingy.
Welcome to Seafood City.
Oh, dali.
Sida ang dating BRB. Welcome, Miguel, the handsome guy. Seafood City. Bakit? Wala pa naman ako ah. Okay, deal.
Okay. I used to work with him in a nursing facility. That's why he knows me. Ate, ano nga yung tawag doon?
Chicken skin, pork bang.
Pwede ba konti lang?
Half.
Ah, sige. Half? Pwede? Half? Okay, half. I'm so Filipino. Diba? Tingi po ako suka. Ay ate, walang $1 na pandan, buko pandan.
Meron kang kilo ko ng buko pandan.
Wala eh, ubus na.
$1.08.
Bigyan mo ako?
Okay.
So Filipino talaga. Nakakahiyaman ako pero I did this.
Ano mo kaya tinanay ko pa kailangan ng logo? O
Do I have a cash? $1.08?
Ito yung ano.
Thank you.
Yan lang ka ng plastic itong buko.
Salamat po.
Excuse me. Yes? Pwede makahiro ng suka, hindi nakahingi si ate ko.
Ito yung ano. Plastic.
May suka po ako.
Oo, meron.
Thank you.
Patagdag kasi marami sa atin yung mukha.
That's so funny. I'm so embarrassing. So Filipino talaga. Where did I park? Mali. I'm on the other side. Lagi naman ako mali maghanap ng parking ko. Okay, so I just got out of Seafood City. I got my food. Don't judge me. I'm so Filipino. And don't judge me again. I didn't cook dinner tonight because I got sick yesterday and I'm so tired from work. So I just bought some barbecue, fish. What else did I bought? Eggplant, and I'm so nakakahiya talaga. I make tawad for the buko pandan because it's supposed to be $4, but if you have a coupon, you'll get it for a $1. I don't have a coupon, but they gave it to me anyway, so thank you. Yeah, that should be all. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the other side of me, and thank you all so much for watching this video. I know it's different from all the vlogs that I do, and again, don't judge me for buying chicharon bulaklak. I only eat that once in a while. I just saw and I crave for it, so I hope you enjoy. I'm not gonna vlog eating it because I don't want you to see me munching on those crunchy chicharon. You might be jealous, but yeah, thank you all so much for joining me in this vlog. I hope you enjoy your day. God bless us all. Find peace in your hearts, and watch out for the Save the Planet contest, which will be out very, very soon. I know all of you are so excited to see creators and supporters, but yeah, it will be up soon. It's either Saturday or Sunday, and watch out again for some live stream and premiere for Bridget Masbang on Sunday. So hope you watch all of those. What's gonna happen in my channel. But thank you all so much for joining me. It's the Mads of San Diego, aka the walking vlogger saves the planet. Bye everyone. God bless us all. See you all tomorrow. Bye.